Work smarter. Subscribe to stay ahead of the curve.
80% of your white-collar tasks could disappear in just 18 months, thanks to AI. Microsoft's AI chief says the next year and a half will see the biggest productivity shift since the computer arrived. The engine behind the change is Microsoft 365 Copilot, an AI assistant built directly into Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Teams. It isn't a distant concept. It's already lived for millions of users and reshaping how work gets done. First, email becomes instant. Copilot reads every message, drafts concise replies, prioritizes the most urgent threads, and even suggests follow-up actions, all with a single click. No more scrolling through endless inboxes or crafting repetitive responses. Second, data analysis turns from hours to seconds. Upload a raw spreadsheet and Copilot automatically cleans the data, creates charts, highlights trends, and writes a narrative summary. You get actionable insights without writing a single formula. Third, presentations are generated on the fly. Feed a few bullet points or a short outline, and Copilot designs a full PowerPoint deck, selects appropriate visuals, applies brand-consistent themes, and writes speaker notes that sound polished. Fourth, meetings become instantly searchable. After a Teams call, upload the recording and Copilot produces a concise recap, extracts key decisions, lists action items, and even proposes next step timelines. Teams can move from discussion to execution without manual note-taking. Fifth, the assistant learns your habits. It watches how you structure documents, which shortcuts you repeat. Then it offers personalized shortcuts, automates routine steps, and nudges you toward higher-value projects, keeping you indispensable as automation expands. Companies that have adopted Copilot report a 30–40% boost in overall output. They redeploy staff from manual data entry to strategy, creative problem-solving, and customer experience design. The result is higher employee satisfaction and a stronger competitive edge, while the fear of mass unemployment fades because the workforce shifts to higher-order tasks. Security and compliance are built in. Copilot runs on Microsoft's trusted cloud infrastructure, adheres to GDPR, ISO, and industry-specific regulations, and keeps your data encrypted at rest and in transit. Because it works inside the same apps you already use, there's no need for separate logins or risky third-party plugins. Across sectors, the impact is already visible. In finance, analysts generate earnings reports in minutes instead of days. In healthcare, administrators automate patient record summaries, freeing clinicians to focus on care. In legal firms, lawyers draft contract clauses with a single prompt, cutting research time dramatically. Microsoft also provides free learning hubs, webinars, and step-by-step guides so teams can adopt Copilot quickly. Pricing starts at a modest per-user monthly fee, and the free trial gives full access to all features for 30 days. Ready to future-proof your career? Check the link in the description and start a free trial of Microsoft 365 Copilot today. https://www.microsoft.com/enna/Microsoft 365/Copilot